Next, I'm going to work on taking off these A-pillar trim pieces. There's these tabs here that you have to straighten out, and then you can push off this chrome piece will pop off. And there's a screw there. Okay, with a little persuasion from the plastic tools, I got it started. I got most of the tabs bent straight so they'll fit through the slots. And now I'm just going to run the plastic in this groove and pop these out. Now I got more of them pried up. So behind here you got these 7 millimeters, 3 7mm, a screw there, and a screw there. Okay, I got all the screws and fasteners out. What you want to do is unclip it from this. You want to open the door because there's like an overhang piece right there. You can see just how dirty it is behind that. You can see how deep the cracks are in this gasket. There's a big one right here, so all this water that was running down, some of it was probably going right in there.